So this is tube feeding. Open your mouth, Manny. Good boy. A little bit. Alright. Good kid. And as long as they're swallowing, it's going down. So just keep kind of pushing without resistance. Stay still, girly. I don't know if you're a girl or boy. I'll call you whatever comes to mind. There we go. And it goes to a certain point where you can see a dot, and that's the length of the body to the stomach. So when you pinch it, you just put this much milk down slowly so they can absorb it. And it goes into their little tummies when they get enough milk. And then you pull the little tube out, and whoop, and that's a happy little baby getting burped. I know you're squealing. This is a squealy one. You just kind of tap until you hear a little bit of a hollow sound. It is stifling hot in this room, but there's a good reason for that. I can't regulate body temperature right away. Alright, buddy. Okay? Ready? Back to mama. This is Green, little green boy. He's getting burped after having his little tube feeding. He's a good boy. He's so little, look.